In this video, I'm going to be going over multiplying and dividing fractions. If you haven't had a chance to look at my simplifying fractions video, I'll link it in the description section below. This is where I go over what fractions are and how to simplify them. So let's have a look at multiplying and dividing fractions. So let's say we have two fractions, 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 7. So how would we multiply this? It's actually quite simple. So what we will do is we'll multiply the two numerators together and the two denominators together. So what that will give us is 2 multiplied by 5 over 3 multiplied by 7, which will give us 10 over 21. Can we simplify this down? No, we can't. So 2 over 3 times 5 over 7 gives us 10 over 21. Another example is 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 5, which will give us 3 times 1 over 4 times 5, and that's 4 over 20. Can we simplify this down? Yes, we can. So we will get 1 over 5. And that's multiplying fractions. Let's have a look at dividing fractions now. So dividing fractions isn't as simple as multiplying is. However, there's a method which will make it a lot simpler. So I will show you how it's done first, and then I'll show you the method that we can use. So let's have a look at 1 over 6 divided by 8 over 11. So what we have to do when we divide fractions is we must flip the fraction on the right hand side, flip it around, and when we do this we must change the sign from a division to a multiplication. So what this looks like is 1 over 6 times, because we changed the sign from division to multiplication, to 11 over 8 because we flipped this fraction. So then what we will have is 11 over 48, which can't be simplified down. But I mentioned that there's actually a quicker way to remember this, and that way is an acronym called KCF. What this means is keep, change, and flip. And as long as you remember this acronym, you'll be able to do any dividing of fraction questions that comes your way. So let's demonstrate this using this example up here again of how we use this. We will start off by writing the first fraction underneath the K, which is telling us that we keep this as it is. Then we will write the division sign underneath the C, telling us we need to change this division sign. And we'll write the right hand side of the fraction underneath the F, meaning we need to flip this fraction. So KCF, keep, change, flip. So now let's demonstrate this. So now keep the C, we will change the sign, and we will flip the fraction, which will give us 11 over 48. So let's have a look at another example of division. So this question we have 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 9. So let's remember KCF, keep, change, flip. So we're going to work this out now. So we're going to keep the 2 over 3. We're going to change this division to multiplication, and we're going to flip this fraction to 9 over 4. And as we learnt earlier, we're going to multiply these two. So what we will have is 2 times 9 divided by 3 times 4, which will give us 18 over 12. So now we can simplify these two fractions down, as we know that they're both in the 6 times table. So we'll have at the top 3 over 2 as our final answer. And this is how we divide fractions. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified whenever I make new videos. Thank you.